Within the depths of your being lies a wellspring of untapped potential, waiting to be unleashed. In the realm of manifestation, the extraordinary teachings of Conny Mendez have served as a guiding light, illuminating the path to abundant wealth and prosperity. Prepare to embark on a transformative journey where the power of your mind and the limitless possibilities of the universe converge. In this video, we will explore a world where dreams transform into reality, where the extraordinary teachings of Conny Mendez illuminate the path to boundless wealth and abundance. Prepare to enter an electrifying journey that will ignite your imagination, shatter the chains of limitation, and unleash the magic within you. In this captivating video, we unveil the transformative power of visualization, guided by the legendary Conny Mendez. Get ready to transcend your current reality and step into a realm of infinite possibilities, where your wildest financial dreams manifest in awe-inspiring ways. Imagine a life where financial worries are replaced by an abundance mindset, where your deepest desires for wealth, prosperity, and fulfillment are not just distant fantasies but tangible realities. Visualize a reality where every step you take is guided by unwavering belief and a deep connection to the limitless power within you. This is the world that Conny Mendez envisioned, a world where individuals tap into their innate ability to manifest their desires and create a life of extraordinary abundance. Conny Mendez, a luminary in the field of metaphysics, left an indelible mark on the world through her revolutionary teachings and profound insights. With her book, The Magic of Believing, she invited readers to embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, guiding them to unlock the secrets of manifestation. Drawing from her deep understanding of the mind's potential, she revealed the transformative power of visualization as a tool to shape one's financial reality. Through her powerful teachings, Conny Mendez emphasized the importance of harnessing the imagination, engaging the senses, and nurturing powerful emotions to bring desires into fruition. She recognized that visualization is not just a mental exercise, but a deeply immersive and multisensory experience. By vividly envisioning and embodying the desired outcomes, one could align their energy with the frequency of abundance, attracting the wealth and opportunities they seek. The video is going to be super interesting, so watch this video till the end, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Let's dive in. Before we step into your desired financial reality, let's prepare the foundation for your manifestation journey. Take a deep breath and relax, allowing any tension or stress to melt away. Release any doubts or fears that may be lingering in your mind. This is your sacred space where you can open yourself to the unlimited possibilities that await. Close your eyes and imagine yourself standing at the entrance of a magnificent gateway. This gateway symbolizes the threshold between your current reality and the realm of abundance. Visualize the gateway shimmering with golden light, emanating a welcoming energy that beckons you to step forward. As you approach the gateway, feel a sense of excitement and anticipation building within you. Place your hand on the gate and feel a surge of energy coursing through your body. This energy represents the power of your intention to manifest abundant wealth. With a deep sense of purpose, open the gate and step through, knowing that you are stepping into a new chapter of your financial journey. Now it's time to take a bold step and immerse yourself in your desired financial reality. Visualize yourself confidently stepping into a world where abundance reigns supreme. Feel the solid ground beneath your feet as you walk through the doors of opportunity. The air is charged with the energy of success and possibility. See yourself standing tall amidst a world that represents your ultimate financial reality. Picture yourself surrounded by opulent mansions, exotic cars, and breathtaking landscapes that reflect the magnificence of your wealth. Feel the weight of crisp banknotes in your hands, hear the joyful symphony of prosperity in the background, and taste the sweet nectar of financial freedom on your lips. Engage all your senses as you immerse yourself in this vivid visualization. As you explore this financial paradise, take a moment to notice the intricate details. Marvel at the exquisite craftsmanship of the furniture and decor that adorns your surroundings. Feel the plushness of the velvet couch beneath your fingertips and the coolness of the marble floors beneath your feet. Hear the gentle flow of a nearby waterfall, soothing your senses and reminding you of the abundance that flows effortlessly. Look out the window and witness the breathtaking view that stretches before you. See the vast expanse of nature, reminding you of the limitless possibilities that exist in the world. Take a moment to appreciate the serenity and tranquility that this environment provides, knowing that it is a reflection of the peace and harmony you have achieved in your financial journey. Engage your sense of taste as you indulge in a sumptuous meal prepared by a world-class chef. Savor each bite, allowing the flavors to dance on your palate. Feel the satisfaction and contentment that comes from enjoying the finest culinary experiences, knowing that this is just a glimpse of the abundance that fills every aspect of your life. Take a stroll through your expansive gardens, adorned with vibrant flowers and lush greenery. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with the intoxicating fragrance of success and prosperity. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, energizing you with its life-giving rays. Allow yourself to be fully present in this visualization, immersing yourself in the sensations and emotions it evokes. As you continue to explore this vibrant financial reality, let your imagination soar. Envision yourself embarking on extraordinary adventures, contributing to causes close to your heart, and making a positive impact in the world. Embrace the unlimited potential that this visualization represents, knowing that it is within your reach. For limitless wealth and abundance, visualize a golden aura of confidence radiating from within you, illuminating your path to success. As you stand amid your desired financial reality, tap into the power of your mind. Recognize that your thoughts and beliefs shape your experience. Choose to empower beliefs that support your journey toward abundance. Affirm that you are worthy of wealth and that the universe conspires in your favor, aligning circumstances, opportunities, and connections to accelerate your financial growth. Feel a surge of empowerment as you internalize these beliefs. Your past does not define you, and your future is not limited by previous experiences. Embrace the truth that you can rewrite your financial story starting now. Let go of any lingering self-doubt or fear, knowing that you are capable of achieving extraordinary levels of wealth. Embrace your innate ability to attract and create abundance. Visualize yourself as a magnetic force, effortlessly drawing in opportunities, resources, and wealth. Trust in your intuitive guidance as it leads you to the right people and circumstances that will propel you forward on your financial journey. Believe that the universe is conspiring to support your goals, and watch as synchronicities and serendipities unfold before you. Allow a deep sense of gratitude to well up within you for the abundance that already graces your life. Express appreciation for the resources, relationships, and experiences that brought you to this point. Gratitude is a powerful magnet that amplifies the flow of abundance. Embrace the joy and fulfillment that comes with acknowledging the blessings that surround you. With unshakable belief, empowerment, and gratitude as your foundation, step into each day with confidence and purpose. Trust that you are divinely guided and supported on your path to financial success. Take inspired action, knowing that each step you take brings you closer to the manifestation of your desires. Now that you have solidified your unshakable belief in your financial potential, it's time to embrace abundance not just for your benefit, but for the greater good. Shift your focus from personal gain to how your wealth can make a positive impact on the world and the lives of others. Visualize yourself using your abundant resources to support causes and initiatives that align with your values. See yourself contributing to organizations that champion education, healthcare, environmental conservation, or any other areas close to your heart. Feel the satisfaction and fulfillment that comes from making a difference and being a catalyst for positive change. As you give back, notice how the universe responds with even greater abundance. The more you share your wealth and resources, the more they multiply. Embrace the law of circulation, understanding that as you give, you create space for more blessings to flow into your life. Imagine the ripple effect of your generosity. Visualize the lives you touch, the opportunities you create, and the transformations you inspire. See the world around you shifting towards greater harmony and prosperity as a result of your contributions. Feel the deep sense of purpose and fulfillment that comes from aligning your wealth with making a positive impact. Embrace a mindset of abundance and contribution as you continue on your financial journey. Cultivate gratitude for the resources that allow you to be of service, and let that gratitude fuel your desire to give back. Trust that the more you contribute, the more abundance will flow into your life, creating a beautiful cycle of giving and receiving. Take a moment to affirm your commitment to using your wealth and abundance as a force for good. Declare that you will continue to expand your capacity to give, knowing that the impact of your generosity extends far beyond what you can imagine. Embrace the joy and fulfillment that come from being a catalyst for positive change in the world. Release any lingering limiting beliefs that may have held you back from experiencing your true financial potential. Conny Mendez encourages you to shed the shackles of scarcity and embrace the abundance mindset. Remember, you are deserving of prosperity in all its forms, and the universe eagerly responds to your unwavering faith and expectation. Let go of doubts and fears, making space for unlimited possibilities. As you open your eyes, carry the power of this visualization with you throughout your day. Embrace each opportunity, encounter, and decision as a stepping stone toward your financial goals. Believe that wealth flows effortlessly into your life, attracting abundant opportunities and resources. Trust in your ability to manifest wealth beyond your wildest dreams. With the teachings of Conny Mendez as your guide, you possess the tools to unlock the vast treasures of the universe. Embrace this dynamic manifestation method as a catalyst for transformation and watch as your financial reality blossoms into an extraordinary symphony of abundance. Now go forth with confidence and unleash your wealth potential like never before. The universe is ready to respond to your intentions and bring forth the prosperity you seek. Trust, believe, and take inspired action. Your abundant future awaits. As you open your eyes, carry the wisdom of Conny Mendez with you. Embrace the truth that you have the power to shape your financial reality. Trust in the process of manifestation and the infinite support of the universe. Know that as you continue to align with abundance, the opportunities and resources necessary to fulfill your dreams will effortlessly flow into your life. Remember that this method is just the beginning of your manifestation journey. The power to create the life you desire lies within you. Stay committed to your vision, cultivate a mindset of gratitude, and take inspired action. The path to abundant wealth is yours to forge. I hope I was able to deliver a step-by-step analysis of this powerful manifestation and visualization method by Conny Mendez. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.